Hi everyone, welcome to Korea in Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Mamezara tofu. Tofu on small plates. Mamezara means small plates, small like beans. Usually it is used as a soy sauce dish, but nowadays people serve dishes on small plates. Serving dishes on small plates is an art. It's really beautiful and satisfying by just looking at them. If you go to 100 shop, you can find many small plates. I was almost gonna buy all of them. In this video, I will show you the easy tofu recipe ideas that you can make with the ingredients on hand. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Mamezara are tiny plates, about 2-3 inches in diameter. Serving on small plates allows you to enjoy each dish separately and also makes the presentation more festive. Let's get started. I'm using most of the ingredients on hand. Cut tofu into small pieces if necessary. I bought small tofu. Then place the toppings of your choice. Natto and scallion, whitebait, scallion, and Mentsuyu soup base or soy sauce is okay, Nori seaweed, and soy sauce. Gomashio, Japanese condiment made from toasted sesame seeds and salt, salted kelp, and sesame oil. Katsuobushi, bonito flakes, and soy sauce. And now it's done. Easy and gorgeous, right? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Itadakimasu. うまっ。
美味しいでしょ。
魚とさ豆腐感がさちょうど混み合ってるからさ美味しくなってる。ちっちゃいだ。いただきます。普通にありそう。
そういうことそういうこと。普通がいいの一番。
よく店で食べてる味がすんだけど。
店行ってんの？バービーと一緒にどっか出かけてるからね。
ごま油がちょうど味があるからとても美味しくなってる。
何が一番美味しかったですか？
塩昆布です。最初のしらす。チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してね。バイバーイ。100番にお願いします。バイバーイ。皆さん、この子が今着てる、オリジナルのパイグッズ。私が書きましたこれ。わ、可愛いですけど、ぜひ買ってみてください。バイバーイ。